Okay, this is called a kilowatt meter, and what it does is it allows you to plug in devices up from 110 into it, and it'll tell you like how much kilowatts the device is using, how many kilowatts it uses per hour, the voltage it runs at, the frequency at the power that's going in, the current. So let's say voltage is the first button. You see 122 volts. Current amperage is nothing. The third one shows wattage and apparent power. Hertz is the frequency at which the power is coming into the device, which is 60 hertz right now, and kilowatts, which it doesn't show the actual kilowatts yet. And if you push that again, you'll see how many seconds it's been running for. I already ran it for 8 seconds, so let's go to kilowatts or wattage in this point. And on this device I have my drill here, and if you turn the drill on, it'll change the wattage as the drill goes faster. So 48 watts, 26 watts. At full power you'll get 227 watts. Let's see what happens when we have it running and we hit amperage. We're using 1.39 amps right now. .26 at the full speed. And wattage is the same. .233 watts at the maximum speed. This will calculate so it's been running for about 10 seconds since I've been recording, and it'll tell you in kilowatts how much wattage is being used per hour. Now I'm not going to run this for an hour, but if you ran a device for an hour, it will increase those numbers, showing you how much power it's using in an hour. So this device is really helpful when you're trying to save energy and you have different devices plugged into it, and you can see if you have a device like let's say a power bar for like a device like a power wart it's called, and you could see how much power it actually uses. You could stick like an entire USB not USB power strip into here, and you can see how much power an entire system is using. If you have like a TV and some power adapters on there and all that, you'll see how much power you're actually using, and you might be able to adjust your usage and save some money. So this device only costs about $20. It's called a kilowatt meter, and it works really well. I suggest people get one and use it as accordingly. You could plug in like a freezer and see how much your freezer uses per hour, or like a generator or whatever. It doesn't matter.